The National Road Operating and Construction Company NROC continues to lose millions as fewer motorists are using the toll roads. The issue was raised at today's sitting of the Public Accounts Committee PAC today. TVJ's Anthony LUGG reports.
It was pure excitement when the government announced plans to open both the east-west and the north-south leg of Highway 2000 due to their potential to add economic growth and development of the country. Though it's beneficial, over the years there has been a decline in the usage of the highways. That's just one reason why the National Road Operating and Construction Company NROC is now in debt totaling over $73 billion. PAC member FITZ asked that NROC look at adjusting its operating model to increase revenue.
Take for example the Portmore leg. During the late nights, the low volume period, the rates are just the same. No incentive to utilize that and earn more revenue. And the other one, Vineyard through to Maypen, the same thing. And you guys have been adamant that you'll keep the highway empty during those periods rather than earn revenue, though at a lower rate, that will boost your overall income. So I'm renewing my plea with your finance model people. Even test it for a period.
Dr. Maurice Guy believes NROC should do more.
You have vested interest to see that there is some money coming into NROC. 2010 is 7 to 9 years ago, and you still have not seen a profit based on original projection.
The risk currently is with the developer. So if there is a reduction in tolls, for example, and the revenues, there's a shortfall in revenues, the risk is 100% with the developer. We don't share that risk with the developer.
But there are more concerns as NROC prepares to start acquiring lands for the extension of the east-west highway from Clarendon to Williamsfield, Manchester.
The current cash flow or traffic projections don't indicate that we'll be able to service the debt.
Is the toll road the best option for that leg right now, if it is that the government of Jamaica is the one taking this debt?
Peter Bunting believes once it's carefully planned, the extension of the toll road can work.
I think the idea of sort of just upgrading the existing Scots Pass porous is going to be very limited.
Anthony LUGG, TVJ News.
Parliament has again approved another extension of the zones of special operations in Mount Salem, St. James and Denham Town in Kingston. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the request in the House on Tuesday, asking for 60 more days effective February 28. He says the extension is justified because there has been no reports of murders in any of the declared zones. He says gang activities have also decreased, but the government accepts that the initiative will not be a quick fix to the country's crime situation.
Among other factors, to a long-term approach to reducing crime.
Meanwhile, he notes that the extension will also help the progression of the social intervention or build phase of Zozo, particularly in Denham Town.
Transition from the clear phase, which is a phase where we remove from the space the criminal elements, we take in as much as we can the weapons and establish a security domain. Then we transition through the whole phase, which is the period of time that is necessary for the social intervention committee to come in and establish itself